How to save any web page as PDF. First, open the web page that you want to save as a PDF. Once the page is open, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. This opens the print window. You can also click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser and select Print. Wait a few seconds for the page preview to load. In the Destination section, choose Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. This tells your computer that you want to create a PDF file instead of printing the page. You will see a preview of all the pages that will be included in the PDF. If you click More Settings, you can customize the PDF. For example, you can remove headers and footers if you do not want the website address, date, or page numbers to appear on the document. You can also adjust the margins and page scale, but the default settings usually work well. After making your changes, click Save. Choose a location where you want to store the file, such as the Downloads folder, and then click Save again. Now, open the folder where you saved the file. You will see your new PDF document. Open it to confirm that everything has been saved correctly. That's it. You can now save any web page as a PDF and read it later, share it with others, or keep it for future reference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.